GameStop stock up over 8% today alone. And on the monthly, we are up over 44%. The question is, how much higher can we go, and what is our next target? Okay, that's going to be around $50. In this video, I want to take a look at the technical analysis. 2 weeks ago, we made a video on GameStop stock short squeeze this week, and I had personally entered into shares right at around $24.70, and I had the buy and sell alert on the Discord over here, so you guys can see my buy alert and my sell alert. So we have a lot to go over in this video. If you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Trying to go $10,000 subscribers, and our previous video on him stock did amazing. We're up over 20% on HIM's stock alone. So let's get started right over here. So with GameStop, we had broken out of the symmetrical triangle. Now it looks a lot better here on the weekly time frame. We could see that we had this trading of sideways. We had this tweet from Roaring Kitty. We had this massive pop, and then we pulled back, we traded sideways, and now we have broken out again. Now the interesting part again is here that Christmas and the holidays is typically very, very bullish for stocks like these, especially GameStop being a kind of a retail stock, and holidays are definitely going to push it over here. Now the weekly time frame just looks amazing. We broke out, absolutely beautiful, but the question is, what is our target? Now the $30 was a target that we were talking about. 30 was going to be the target where I was going to get out, and I eventually did get out. Okay, I got out for a 23% gain right over here, but we could see that our first target was the $30 level. We had this resistance. Now we are right over here, and we are fighting. Okay, we closed above right over here, but our next target is way above. Okay, our next target is going to be at $47. Okay, that's around a 60% move just from here for GameStop. So now this next gap is huge for GameStop, and especially if you got in my entry, the best thing that you could do is leave your stop loss at break even and then ride the runners to the upside, because a short squeeze like this is definitely possible in this market, especially with what we have seen with PLTR, with SoFi. Now keep in mind that we have the Black Friday sale. If you guys want TradingView, 70% off, link in the description. It's going to be ending in 3 days. And if you guys want to follow along with my live account on the Discord, we grew this account live on Discord. We just had one single position. If you guys want the technical analysis educational course, link in the description. Use code BLACK for 50% off lifetime. Okay, so if you use code BLACK, it's gonna be a 50% off lifetime. So make sure to do this and don't skip this, because this is going to be expiring in 4 days with the Black Friday sale. So with GameStop, that is what we are taking a look at. If we clear our charts right over here, we can see we have this cup forming over here, and this chart just looks appealing, especially with our entry at $24, $25. That was the perfect entry. We have so much room to the upside right over here, but the best thing is going to be leaving your stop loss at break even, because bulls and bears, they profit, but pigs get slaughtered. Okay, make sure to take in profits and whatnot. Especially with me, I had a bunch of shares, 200 shares alone on GameStop. I usually enter in $1,000 per play in the swing trades channel.
but this time with shares I doubled in. So pretty much this was a 60% gain. If you're talking about, an average trade, so that's going to be a 60% gain. So GameStop has so much room to go on over here, and it definitely looks very interesting. If we take a look at, for example, something like HIMS, the price action with HIMS was also very similar to something like GameStop, where we get these squeezes to the upside. And we can see that HIMS is running right now, and we have this cup. Same situation as GameStop, we had this cup situation going on. So if you could take a look at GameStop, we can see this cup. Okay, we can see this clear cup. When I remove my drawing sword over here, we have this cup and a potential cup and handle actually forming right over here. If we touch the resistance, we can come back and go for that upside, but it definitely looks very interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a very short, quick update on GameStop. If you guys enjoy content like this, subscribe with notifications on, and see you guys later. Bye.